ChatGPT has a powerful image generation feature. And today I'm going to show you just how well it handles sketches. This is an opportunity for you to turn your drawings into ideas for visualizing. And we're going to use it for product placements or even to come up with creative art. Let me show you what I mean. Supposing I have this product. I want this model promoting it in my product ad. By the way, she's AI generated. Nothing is real. And I want her in this scene. Suppose I want her to be promoting it in her hand and lying on this wooden plank between these two trees. Now, I could prompt all the details in, which can be rather tedious. Rather, I now have sketched it in. Now, instead of typing the exact pose, I sketch it in, describing it, woman, sunglasses, lotion, and lying down in this pose. This saves me a lot of prompting. I would prompt woman holding the product and lying on the wooden planks as depicted in the sketch. White text with fun fonts, suns out, funds in, caption on the upper portion of the ad. And ChatGPT will do a great job merging this together to create my advertisement. Let's take a look. And there you have it. Pretty good. A product placement just like that. Brilliant. Now, of course, the sketch, the girl on the left side, but it took its initiative to put it on the other side. But that's livable. What's important is that I get the model posing in the way that I like it, and the direction isn't really that important. Now, another great way to use Sketch for product placement is to visualize it. And if you have an imagery in your mind, well, sketch it out and let ChatGPT go handle it. In this case, I want to promote this bottle with the sandcastle. And I sketch it out, the bottle, the ball, seashell, sand, in this direction. Fun's out, sun's in, and there's a picture of a sun there. It saves me a ton of work prompting exactly this image. So I sketch it out. Now, I put the bottle in. I put photo shoot of a product ad of sun lotion on the beach as depicted in the sketch. White fun fonts replicate exactly the image and label design of the bottle. Replicate the exact dimension of the bottle. And there you have it, a product ad. I would say it's pretty good with the replication of the label. And can you imagine how quickly we can go to market and how low cost we can be in producing an advertisement post on social media? Of course, you can see that there is some inconsistencies, but I suppose such extra fonts can be easily touched away in Photoshop. But by and large, I think for a quick social media post, this is excellent. And besides, I think future upgrades in ChatGPT, it will get better and better. And the replication of images will just be getting higher and higher quality. You can have so much fun turning your sketches into various art styles. Here are some of my favorite. I drew a boy and a mouse on paper and I turned it into felt and button plushie styles, 3D vinyls, Claytoon, computer animation in a modern children cartoon style, pop-up papercut book, watercolor, whimsy, Playmobil, Lego bricks, and this is my favorite, Pixar 3D cartoon. In fact, I like this so much, I turned it into a cartoon animation. Check out my video to see how I turned this into cartoon animation. So there you have it, folks. Hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial to show you the power of sketches in ChatGPT. Do like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about the tips and tricks. Till the next time, AI on.